Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today. The apples have all fallen off the trees, so I thought what better thing to make than some simple apple crumble. This is wonderful with some banana ice cream by the fire, and I was inspired by Deliciously Ella's lovely recipe of her berry and apple crumble. Let's get right into the video. This recipe uses some nuts. Now, whichever nuts you have in the house will work absolutely fine. You'll need a couple of cups, and what we're going to do is we're just going to grind them all up into a flour. Next, put all the ground nuts into a bowl. Next, you'll need some oats, and you're going to add that to the nuts. Add some cinnamon. There's nothing like the perfect combination of apples and cinnamon. And then I also like to add some cloves. My grandmother always made apple crumbles and pies with cloves in it, and it just gives a wonderful kind of Christmassy feel. Just grind them all up. It's only a little bit. And mix it all together. Next, we're going to melt a little bit of coconut oil. Add a little bit of maple syrup and a dash of vanilla extract. And you're going to pop that into the oat and nut mixture. Give it a good mix. And then just set that aside, and we're going to use that after. We're going to move on to the apples now. So I used just whatever apples were on the tree. If you're buying them, then I would suggest you use the red apples because they're a little bit juicier and sweeter. Go ahead and enjoy peeling all the apples and coring them. And we're going to stew the apples first, just to soften them all and allow the sweetness to come out of the apple. So pop all those apples that are chopped up into a big pot and add some cranberries and a dash of maple syrup. Give it a stir, and then you're going to put the lid on and you're just going to allow them to stew for about 10 minutes. All those peelings and cores, you can use these to make some scrap vinegar. When your stewed apple is ready, you're going to place it into a casserole dish or a pie dish and just spread it out. You'll know the apples are ready because they're going to be nice and soft and squidgy. And all that you need to do is pop the crumble mixture on top. I just use my fingers and then I spread it out. I just flatten it out. It is nice that all the apples are underneath the crumble. And then I just sprinkle with some more cinnamon, and into the oven it goes. And that is it. I love to have the crumble really well done. It's crispy, it's wholesome, the sweetness of the apples. It's absolutely delicious. And I love to have it with some fresh banana ice cream. When I was younger, my grandmother used to whip these up in about 10 minutes flat. I don't know how she did it. She had superpowers, but there is nothing like an apple crumble to really just give you that warm, cozy feeling. So easy, delicious. So that is it for this week. I really hope that you've enjoyed this recipe, and let me know if you make it. It's so simple. You can throw it together with different ingredients, just whatever you have in the house. And all the ingredients are simple and easy to buy, and much easier I find to get, either with package free or with more sustainable packaging. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.